I am what you would call a content creator, a film director, a movie maker. There's so many names you can attach to it. I am what you would call a content creator, a film director, a movie maker. There's so many names you can attach to it. I create content. I not only create content, but I create opportunities for young people here in Jamaica in terms of acting, meaning that there are persons that I employ to my company where I have them as actresses and actors. Also, there are persons who have their own channels who are also content creators that are directly impacted by the fact that I start doing film, and I either directly introduce them to start making movies, or they use me as an example to start creating content. Now, the main focus of what I want to talk about is there is this new law that the government has implemented, which it's not so new, but it has sparked a debate since recently, and it directly affect me as a person who is a content creator and a person who is in this field. And the law has to do with the use of prop guns, or what you would call imitation firearms. Now, I would consider a prop gun for a person like myself to be a part of my tool, to be a part of my tool of trade, as you would call it, because I create movies, and in some of the movies that I create, that is used as a part of to depict certain scenes as a prop. Now, the law that has passed is that any individuals that they catch with a prop gun, they are liable to be charged as if it is a real gun, and it carry a minimum sentence of 15 years. Now, I feel like that law is a little bit harsh, and let me explain why. Now, for me personally, this is how I reason out things. If a person has a prop gun, there is only two reasons why you should have a prop gun, and it's either you're in filmmaking, or you're doing music videos, or you're doing movies. No